Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by importing audio so you can edit in context. First, create a new project with the resolution and frame rate you need. Once the canvas is ready, tap Media, then Import, and select your MP3 or WAV from device storage. Make sure the timeline is visible. This is where you'll trim and align. If audio is longer than the video, adjust project duration to match. These steps place the sound where you can precisely cut, fade, and sync visuals to beats. Now you trim and synchronize. Move the timeline scrubber to the first beat you need and split the audio with the scissor tool. Repeat at key markers. Once split, drag audio segments beneath the matching visual clips and use Snap for frame-accurate placement. This prevents drift. Add volume keyframes where dynamics change so your edits sound intentional, and apply short fade-in or fade-out, usually 1/2 to 1.5 seconds, to avoid abrupt cuts. Precise alignment makes a big difference in perceived quality. Finish by shaping and exporting. Apply effects like an equalizer or light reverb to make dialogue or music sit in the mix, and tweak bass if needed. Once satisfied, preview the project at full quality to ensure sync holds. Export with matching sample rate and codec to avoid playback issues. If you see drift or glitches after export, re-import the original audio, confirm sample rate matches the project, and apply gentle keyframe smoothing. This fixes most timing problems without redoing edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.